This is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and my friend Renae here came in last week, got a meal kit, and how much have you lost since then?
7 pounds since Monday.
Since Monday. So Monday to Saturday, it's only been 5 days. She hasn't even finished the kit yet. She dropped 7 pounds. And is there anything you want to tell people about the food or the meal kit or how you feel? Or
I feel really good. I have a lot of energy.
That's awesome. Okay, guys, what you get with the meal kit, just so you know, for $100, you get 6 pre-cooked turkey burgers. I make these taste like Whoppers. I buy 93% lean turkey, cook it myself, add my own seasonings. You get the skinny waffles to go with the burgers. You get 8 chickens. I buy boneless, skinless chicken breast. I cook it till it shreds, and then I pre-package it like this. You just microwave this, you microwave this. You put the chicken on the tortillas, you put the burgers on the waffles, and then you get 7 mixes, and you get either 7 bombs or you get a 5-pack of bars and 2 bombs, which is what she chose to do this week. So she's doing it another week. I tell customers you got to do this at least once, because if you do the meal kit once, you're going to see, like she did in 1 week, how much weight you lose, how good you feel, how full you are, and you're going to see that this doesn't even feel like you're on a diet, okay? So for $100, you get breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack.